Want to add a stylish clock like this to your Notion dashboard? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to embed 3 beautiful and customizable clocks without writing any code using a free tool called Indify. First, head over to Indify.co and sign in using your Google account. Once you're in, scroll down and select the clock widget. Give it a name, then click Continue. In the left sidebar is where you can adjust the settings for your clock. Under clock type, let's start with the flip clock. From here, you can customize the format. You can switch to 24-hour time, or you can show or hide the seconds, date, and time zone. Under clock size, you can choose the size of your clock from small, medium, or big. There are also settings for you to adjust the text font, alignment, text color, and background color. Once you're happy with the look, click Copy to get your Embed link. Back in Notion, simply paste the link and choose Embed from the pop-up. And that's it, your flip clock is live. Next up is the analog dots clock. Choose analog dots under clock type. I'll keep the rest of the settings here as default. Next, I'll set the font to mono and change the clock color to purple for light mode and white for dark mode. To enable light and dark mode in your Notion workspace, keep the Show Hover menu on. I also like to keep the Show Customize button on so that I can easily customize the clock next time. When you're done, copy the link and embed it into Notion, just like before. The third one is Analog Smooth, clean and minimal. I'll keep most of the settings as default, but change the font to serif, set the background color to pink, and make the clock hands white. Copy the link, head back to Notion, and embed it in just a few clicks. In Notion, you can resize any of the clocks by dragging the sides. If you enabled light and dark mode, just hover over the widget to toggle it. You can also click the Customize button to jump straight back into Indify and make changes. And that's how you add custom clock widgets to your Notion page. Fast, easy, and totally free. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Notion tips.